G'day guys, this is Kiwi GI Customs. I'm about to look at restoring this timber wolf here. As you can see, the back foot's gone missing, or broken off to be honest. I've got one that's perfectly good here, and I'm going to look at using that to make the newer piece. I can see there's a stress line just starting to come on here. Hopefully nothing happens to that one. But anyway, let's get into it. I've already pre-drilled a hole in this, but we're using this. And just draw a hole in there. I'm now going to use a paper clip and hot glue gun. So we've got this as a paper clip. Grab myself the tools I need. And let's start making this foot. Also, you're going to need super glue too. First of all, we're going to put this in here. And we're going to roughly see what we're going to need to do. So I need to bend this down and shape it. It's not looking too shabby actually. Not looking too bad. I can probably start cutting into that. I'll make it a little bit longer. It's always better to cut longer and then you can reshape it after it's done. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, that's not looking too bad, but I want to bend it down a lot more. So let's get the old down there, down there. Oh, that's not too bad, not too bad indeed. I reckon just a little bit more. And I want to trim this part off here. Of course that's going to be loose because I'm putting super glue in there. But it's just going to give me a rough idea of what it's going to look like. Okay. I'm going to trim off this part here. And reshape this part. I bought this timber quite cheap with snake eyes. That's not bad. A little bit like that. The snake eyes had a broken thumb, which it's dead easy to repair, and I can show you how to repair that at a later date. But today I'm just working on timber here. Okay, cool. Now we'll get some super glue in there. This might be a fresh batch. Yeah, it is. Let's see if I can use. Hopefully it hasn't dried out, but I reckon it has. So be it. That's not looking too shabby actually. And then what I'll do is get the glue gun. And most people use putty and all that, and that's great. But what I like about the glue gun, what I like best about it, that there's bugger all weighting, and you can quite easily shape it using a Dremel. Okay. Right, we'll leave that alone for a while and then we'll get back to it. The glue has dried off now. The paw's not looking too bad. Now it's time to trim off using a Dremel, like lynch it off and shape it up, and then paint. So I'm just getting a light sand here. Paw's not looking too bad. Still put a little bit more going up there, if I do that now. And just a little bit up there. That looks beautiful. Like it's pretty close. I mean, I'm quite happy with that. So now we get some paint. Now I always mark my paintbrushes whites to whites, blacks to blacks, reds, yellows, and so forth and so on. Oh, that looks like it could be an off grey actually. So what I'll do is I'll mix a bit of grey with this. Don't need too much. I think I've got it. Not quite yet. Not yet, not yet. Troubles already makes a white on that. Just want to mix a little more grey on that. So close. I can smell it. I can smell it. So close. There we go. Brush that in. Touch more grey. What you could do is just whitewash it with a wolf already. And that's it. That's not too bad. What I'll do is just mix that all up and just add it to the wolf. There you go. That looks like $1 million now. So there you go. There's Timber, the whole new back leg. Don't worry folks, I'll fresh paint all the rest of Timber. And that's my original Timber. As I said, most people will either love me or hate me. But I really think it needed that whitewash and sort of like the teeth and the eyes exposed. Anyway, that's Kiwi GI Customs signing off. See ya.